Louis Kronith was a runaway German painter who left an indelible mark on the art world with his unique style and contribution to German Expressionism. Born on July 21st, 1858, in Tepiu, Prussia, Kronith's artistic journey spanned over 6 decades and encompassed a wide range of subjects and themes. From a young age, Kronith displayed a keen interest in art. He began his formal training at the Königsberg Art Academy, where he studied under Otto Gonter. However, Kronith's artistic development was interrupted when he was diagnosed with a multiple sclerosis at the age of 30. Despite the debilitating nature of the disease, he preserved and continued to paint with fervor. Throughout his career, Kronith explored various artistic styles and techniques, reflecting the changing artistic landscape of the late 19th and early 20th centuries. Initially, his work was influenced by academic tradition and the Impressionist movement. However, as he matured as an artist, Kronith developed a more expressive and experimental style, aligning himself with the burgeoning German Expressionist movement. Kronith's artistic subjects ranged from landscapes and portraits to still life and historical scenes. He had a particular affinity for capturing the human form, often depicting figure in intimate setting or engaged in everyday activities. His portraits, in particular, were he characterized by their physiological depth and emotional intensity, capturing the scenes of his subjects with remarkable sensitivity. One of Kronith's most notable period was his time in Berlin during the early 20th century. He became a permanent figure in the city's art scenes and was associated with the Berlin Session, a group of progressive artists seeking to the break away from traditional art institution. Kronith's work from this period display a bold and dynamic brushwork, vibrant colors, and a heightened scenes of emotional expressions. Despite his success, Kronith faced personal and professional challenges throughout his life. He experienced financial difficulties, marital issues, and the physical limitation imposed by his illness. Netherlands, he continued to paint prolifically and exhibited his work extensively in Germany and abroad. Kronith's legacy as an artist is marked by his contribution to the development of German Expressionism and his unwavering dedication to his craft in the face of adversity. His work has been recognized for its raw emotion, technical skills, and ability to convey the theme experience. Today, his painting can be found in major museums and art collections worldwide. reminding viewers of his enduring influence on the art world. In 1925, at the age of 67, Louis Grunet passed away in Zandvoort, Netherlands, leaving behind a vast body of work that continues to captivate and inspire art of his day. His artistic vision and unwavering patience serve as testament of the power of art and trust physical limitation and leave a lasting impact on the world.